Hello everyone, today we are going to be drawing a butterfly inspired by the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So let's go ahead and begin. I have my paper side to side. I'm going to start off with a oval in the middle. And on top of this oval, I'm going to add 2 curls. So 1, 2. Those are the antennas. Now what I'm going to do is start off from here and I'm going to go straight out and then I'm going to come around. Alright, so that's part of the wings. Now for the other one, I'm going to start a little bit on the wing and I'm going to go down and come back. So it kind of looks like a weird letter B, right? So let's go ahead and do the other side, which is the same. So that is going to be symmetrical. We're going to draw a line going out. We're going to go down and bring it back. Same thing, we're going to go out a little bit, kind of go down with our oval and come back. Now that we have our butterfly, we're going to make our wings look like stained glass, which is going to look like kind of like a pattern. So what we're going to do is going to add some lines in there. We're going to just do some straight lines. So maybe some diagonal. Maybe some straight lines. So 3 or 4 lines in here is fine. So I'm going to do one more. Now I'm going to try to do those same lines over here. So I got this one that goes out here. One that goes down. One that goes across. And then one that's on an angle. So we want to keep them the same, keep them symmetrical. So let's go ahead and do this one on the bottom. Same thing. We're going to try to keep it, let's do 3 or 4 lines again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to start off with this line over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So roughly the same. In the background, you could do a sun, you could add some more butterflies. You could even add, maybe we can add some grass down here. Next, we're going to outline. So I got my black marker. And I'm going to make my black marker outline just a little bit thicker than I normally would. So what I want are these bold lines. So nice big bold lines. Takes a little longer. But it'll really make our colors pop in our stained glass look. So now I'm just going to outline my grass just regularly. Yeah. Next, I'm going to do some painting on the leaves, and then I'm going to color my background. Now, if you don't have paint, you could use a marker to make it really bold. I'm just going to use paint, maybe use some marker too, but just mostly paint for the wings. Just for the wings. And we're going to try to do the same color on both sides. So if this one is red, then this side's going to be red. Oops. Do blue. Keep running into things on my desk. My advice is when you're painting not to paint next to something you just painted. Like I won't paint next to the red right away, only because I don't want it to bleed. And that what that means is when the paint kind of goes over to the other paint, makes a little puddle. I'm also going to add some blue up here. And you can make your butterfly whatever color you want. Okay, I'm going to go and add some orange. One more color. I think I'm going to use green. See what happened there? My green kind of touched my red and I pooled a little bit. I'm just going to move it around with my hand. It happens. Ah, I did it again. Sometimes I like it when it pools. Now it just depends on if you like that. If you don't like that, then I would definitely suggest on waiting what I should have done. But it's okay. Alright, so now that I'm done painting, I'm going to let that dry. And then when I come back, I'm going to color the rest with crayon and marker. So now that I've finished painting, I'm going to start coloring my background. I'm just going to use blue in the back. You could add like a sky if you wanted to. also going to color the grass. In just a few moments, I'm going to also add some marker. So I'm trying to use like a variety of mediums just to have some differences between my colors. I'm going to color in my body. I'm also going to take my markers and kind of outline my shapes with the colors that I use inside of there. It just makes them pop out better. And there you go.